how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. Now before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First things first, what you'll have to do is you'll have to check if your internet is working. That is, sometimes you might be connected to the Wi-Fi, but your internet might not be working. So make sure that you check that and make sure that you're connected to it too. And after you've done that, what you can do is just go to the settings, go to your Wi-Fi and tap on this eye looking button and forget this network and reconnect to the network. And that sometimes fixes the problem. But if that does not fix the problem, what you can do is you can always force restart your iPhone. Now after doing that or before doing that, just go to the generals under your settings and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Now there you will see reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings and type in your password and your phone will get restarted with your network settings all reset. Now that should fix your problem guys, but if it does not, you might have a software issue. So wait for a software update, go to the general section and go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date. If there is a software update available, just tap on software update and update it to its latest version and you might get the bug fixed from those updates. So yeah, doing all this will help you fix your problem guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.